Ahead of the crucial Supreme Court hearing in a 1988 raid road case today, Punjab Congress chief Navjot Singh Sidhu had filed an affidavit in the court. Sidhu has appealed to the court, asking them to consider his political and sporting career and not to send him to jail now. My colleague Harish Nair joins me on the broadcast. Harish, an appeal to the court, will this hold?
Yes, this hearing is definitely going to give some anxious moments to Sidhu, who is in the thick of a political battle in Punjab, which had gone to polls 5 days ago. Yes, Supreme Court bench will today hear plea filed by victim's family seeking review of its May 15, 2018 verdict that had let off Sidhu with a mere rupees 1,000 fine in a 1988 road rage case in which a Patiala resident Gurnan Singh had died. And as you rightly said, just before the hearing, Sidhu, through his lawyer, has requested the court not to punish him further by sending him to jail. Sidhu has urged the court to take a lenient view, considering his impeccable political and sporting career, philanthropic work, social welfare, and help to the needy. We'll have to wait and watch what will be the stand of the Supreme Court bench, after which will peruse this affidavit during the very crucial hearing today. Sidhu also opposed any further examination of evidence against him, contending that scope of a review petition is very, very limited, not requiring a court to go into appreciation of evidence at all. Sidhu also reminded the bench hearing the review on the grounds on which Supreme Court had taken a lenient view, saying more than 3 decades have passed since the date of the incident, and there was numerous cases in which court considered fine as an adequate punishment if there has been a long passage of time. I'll take you through the background of the case. Remember, the trial court had acquitted him in 1999. On an appeal by the prosecution, High Court gave him a 3-year jail, convicting him for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. And on Sidhu's appeal, Supreme Court had held him guilty only for voluntarily causing hurt and let him off with a rupees 1,000 fine, which the victim's family has challenged. So hearing of the review will be taking place at 3 o'clock today. We'll have to wait and watch what will be the stand of the Supreme Court bench after going through Sidhu's request.
Right, Harish, thank you so much for joining me with all those details. So, an appeal by Navjot Singh Sidhu before the court, asking them to consider his political and sporting career and not to send him to jail. Let's see how much of that argument really holds before the court.